Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have POWFU here with a song called Keep Our Love Alive. So this one is two chord progression song here. We have one when it comes to the verses, and then we'll have one when we play the choruses. So let's take a look at this one, but we need to start with a capo set here on the 3rd fret. So capo on 3rd, we'll go over the chords now. So we'll start with the G, and that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. The next chord will be B minor. So that's a bar chord. You place a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So 5 strings from bottom up. And then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. The next chord will be B, all right? So you keep the bar in the same position there. And then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and now 4th on B. Then we have C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And that's the chords in the verse. And then the chords we have from the G, we have this G-F chord. So that's just a transition chord, you can say. So from this position on G, you keep everything else the same except from the bass here, 3rd fret on E string. You want that on 2nd E. So you just make this transition here with your index and middle finger. They go like this. So you get the 2nd on E now, and then everything else is the same. 2nd on A, open D, open G, and then pretty much down there it doesn't matter because you will not play that. So you can actually just hold like this if you want. So this is just me used to go from G to the G-F. I keep everything and then just make this adjustment here. All right, but you will play on the bass strings, okay? So that's a G-F chord. And then we have the clean F. So that's a bar chord. You place a bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Then we have the E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And then finally we have the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. All right, so we will take a look at the strumming pattern, and we'll start with G. And this one is divided into 2 different parts. We need to have that later on in the course play. So let's take a look at the strumming pattern, the first part there. So the first part goes down, down, clap, down, up. So down, down, clap, down, up. I play the first downs there, the 2 downs on the bass strings, then clap, and then I play a bit more on the mid top strings when it comes to the down, up. So down, down, clap, down, up. That's the first part. And the second part continues up, down, clap, down, up. So up, down, clap, down, up. And if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, up. With tempo. Alright, so we're ready for the actual song. The verse goes G, 1 full round, B minor, 1 full round, then B, 1 full round, and C, 1 full round. Alright, so nothing about different parts here, just full strumming rounds, G, B minor, B, and C. Let's go for a round. right, so that is the verse play. And now let's go over to the chorus. Here you will play the different parts. So we're going to play G part 1, the down, down, clap, down, up. And then you quickly change to the G, F and play part 2, up, down, clap, down, up. And then you do the same with F. You play the part 1 there, down, down, clap, down, up. And then you quickly change to E and play part 2, up, down, clap, down, up. All right, so these 4 chords, G, G, F, F, E, you will have with you in the chorus. And then we have different endings. So the first ending on the first round will be that you play C for 2 full rounds. All right, so 2 full strumming rounds. That's the first ending. And the second ending will be that you split these 2 rounds into C, 1 round, and D, 1 round. So that's the second ending. So it goes with alternate endings there. First ending, second ending, first ending, second ending, depending on how many rounds you play on the course. But to play the main thing here, there you have that with you all the time when it comes to the chorus. G part 1, G, F part 2, F part 1, and E part 2, like this. That's the basic, and then you have the first ending here, the C, 2 rounds. Sorry. Stuck a little bit there on my strings there with my finger. Anyway, it's C, 2 rounds, and then the second ending was C1 and D1. All right. So the chorus for 2 rounds now, I will give you the both endings would be like this. All right, so there you have the chorus play, guys. POWFU, keep our love alive. Give it a try, guys, and until next time, play tuned.